Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Skillset Go. In the last video we have seen how to build our Spring Boot project using an Eclipse Maven and how to run it like a jar file. So in this video we will build the Spring Boot project using a Maven command in a command line instead of building it from the Eclipse. So before we just done right click and run as, and we have done a Maven install. So the jar file will get created in the target folder. As you have seen, this is a jar file. Now we will build using a Maven command. So the main file the Maven command uses is a POM file. So we just need to go to the location of the POM file. Just go to the location. So this is the location, just go there. So here just open any command line prompt. I am just opening a bash. So here we can just do Maven clean install or Maven install. So here telling command not found. It means I have not installed a Maven in my Windows. So first let's install the Maven. Just you can download Apache Maven. Just download anything, link is given, Apache Maven 363. So we are downloading the Maven. So we have downloaded a Maven build. Let's go to the folder, show in folder. You have to extract it. So for convenient purpose, let's take out from downloads and keep in a folder which is convenient for you, either program files or any other file. For me, I have our softwares folder. In that I will paste it and I will just extract it. So this is the main Maven home path for the Maven build. Let's take out this and keep it here. We can delete rest all. And let's go inside this and take the bin path. Let's copy this whole path. We have to paste this path in a path environment variable. So let's go to environment variables, edit the system environment variables. So here you can see there is a path, edit, double click, we can add a new path and paste that whole path here and just click on OK. So what we have done is we have downloaded the Maven, we have extracted it and kept the Maven folder here, and we have taken the path of this bin folder inside this Apache Maven, and we have added the path in a path environment variable. So now let's go to the bash where we have tried. So here Maven clean install, run the command again. So saying command not found again because we have opened this command prompt before installing. Let's close and open it again. So let's go to the POM file path. So here there is a POM file. Here again open the bash and now run the command again. Now let's run Maven command again. Maven clean install. See, now you can see the Maven command is getting recognized because we have downloaded and kept the bin folder path of Maven in a path environment variable. We are getting an error, but it is recognizing this command Maven. So now let's see what is the error. The compilation failure, no compiler is provided in this environment. Perhaps you are running on a JRE rather than JDK. So now let's see the environment variable. We need to have a Java home environment variable. Just click on edit the system environment variables. Let's go to environment variable. So here we don't have any Java home path, let's introduce it. The variable name should be Java home, and we need to have a JDK folder path here. So let's go to PC and program files where we have installed a Java JDK. So here we have JDK. Let's take this path and let's paste it here and let's save it. So as we have changed the environment variables, let's close this command prompt and let's open it again from where there is a POM file. So this is the project form file. Let's open the bash again. Let's run maven clean install again. See, now you can see we are not getting any compilation error because we have added a Java home path environment variable. Now the build got success. So in the last video we have built the same thing using an Eclipse Maven, but here we are using a direct command of Maven install. If you want to know more about the Maven project, you can go to the link given in the description, the tutorial of Maven. So here the jar file will get created using the Maven and it will be kept in the target folder. Here you can see installing this target spring demo snapshot jar. So this is a jar file. So let's see the files here. So here we have POM file and target. So inside target we will be having a jar file. Let's go into the target and let's check the files. So here the jar file will get created. So we have done Maven clean. So clean will delete the target folder first, then again it will create all the folders inside the target folder and a jar file. So we can take the jar file to any path, only the jar file, and we can run using the command Java as we are running jar file, and we can mention jar file name. So the name is spring demo and version name, and let's run it. So here the application got started. Let's check by accessing it. Localhost 8080 and hello. So we got the response, hello from Spring Boot application. This is the simple REST API we have implemented for the demo purpose. So this is how we will install a Maven inside a Windows and we will run using a command. So you can get a doubt, suppose if you want to change any property of a Spring Boot application, then how can I do it? Whether you need to build the jar file again? No, there is a way to change the properties. We can get the application.properties of the Spring Boot application outside the jar. So we will see more about these properties in the next videos. I hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.